Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Skate 4 crashing, not launching or showing the something went wrong error on PS5. So these quick fixes will get you back on your board in just a few minutes. So first of all, you can just restart your console and clear the cache. For that, you just have to hold the PS button and choose the turn off PS5. After that, you just have to unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. So this clears the system cache, which often causes startup errors or black screens. In the step 2, you can just simply check the game's updates. For that, you need to go to the Skate 4 icon and go to the option of buttons or the options button. There you will find the option of checking the updates. So if there is a new patch available, you just have to install it immediately. Early builds of the beta sometimes crash without the latest version. You can also try turning off your PS5 and then hold the power button until you hear two beeps to enter into the safe mode. There you will find the option of rebuild database. So this fixes the corrupted game's data and restore the smooth loading. So you can try these fixes, but if the problem still persists, you can try signing out and back into the PSN account, or you can temporarily disable any of the external storage drives and launch directly from the internal SSD. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.